This is a short video of my new Pelco tower installed. In my server room I have this rack that holds all the recordings, video for 32 cameras. Over here are my spare parts like housing and mounting brackets and backup cameras. I keep plenty because trees like to fall on them all the time outside. These are the power supplies that run the cameras and the PTZ connection. Over here are the cameras ready to go if one goes out or gets crushed by a tree. This is a Pelco light that I made. I made 3 of these. I thought they're cute. This is where I have my monitors for viewing the cameras. And over here are the controls, the pan, tilt, and zoom. I can see my backyard or zoom over to the next state. And this is my new Pelco Rohn tower. And thanks for watching.